Snapdragon 8 Elite, we're going to test that processor for the overheating on a Xiaomi 15. First game will be PUBG. Temperature, ambient is 21. 30 on my hand. Screen is 30. And back. Come on. 28. 28, I guess. All right. We do have HDR, Ultra HDR, that is going to be applied. USB prior reduce, okay. So someone says there's 120 Hertz in here. I'm not sure where you will find such a feature. It's 99% of the battery, 805. And we are in a performance mode. 75 frames, 60 frames. Okay, so I'm playing like more than 20 minutes already, and someone says it's more demanding than the Call of Duty. I don't think it is. It's easy 60 frames per second. 25% of the CPU. GPU is like 4%. Oh, and oh yeah. It's easy. Alright, so it's like almost half an hour of gaming. And we do have 30 degrees Celsius. You can see 32 degrees. And on the back, like 29. That's cold. That is cold. Call of Duty. This should be fun with an Xbox pad. It looks smooth. How many frames? 48, 90 frames, 82. Wow, that's impressive. 90 frames per second? Really? 90 FPS, check this. Wow, that's crazy. On maximum settings. That's very impressive. That's action, that's action. That PUBG was boring as... Whew. This is more action game. I like that. Ha! Extreme action, alright. Alright, there's like hour of gaming already. We already have 9 o'clock. It's 10% gone. What's the temperature? Yeah, 9 o'clock. 28 degrees Celsius. Nothing changes. 28. That's all the same. 27. That's like, yeah. So, in hands, not even warm. Okay, so what we're gonna do is hit the camera, video, in 8K, 30 frames per second. And let's hit recording. There's a 5-minute cap for the 8K recording in this smartphone. It should turn off any minute. No, 6 minutes, I guess. And it's gone. Again. So the temperature is 39, even 39, almost 40 degrees Celsius. Almost 40. I can feel it, it's warmer than it was. Almost 40 at the very front. Yeah, 40 degrees Celsius. 40 degrees. It feels slightly warmer. It's just 40 degrees. That's nothing. Nothing. Battery, so I can see 80%. And the camera usage, but I was repeating one after another. So it's just only 6 minutes, but in real life was much. I'm not sure why is that. I was repeating, like you see. Also, GPS was active. Okay. Game, that's half an hour, 29 minutes. And PUBG, 32 minutes. Well, the battery is not so small, 5,400 mAh with such a small device. Wow. That is an astonishing result. I don't think there's any smartphone with that size hitting so much battery life and so much power at the same time. Xiaomi 15 is at the moment #1 small smartphone in the world. Link in the description. See you next video.